In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PowerPoint presentation on mobile. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, you can build a polished deck right from your phone. First, install the app. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Microsoft PowerPoint, and tap install. Give it a moment to download and make sure you've got a solid internet connection and enough storage so the install goes smoothly. Once it's installed, open the app and create your first presentation. Tap the plus icon labeled Create or New, then choose either a blank presentation or start with a template. Templates are great if you want a head start on layout and color, while blank gives you full control. Before adding content, pick a design theme to set the tone. Tap the design icon and browse the available themes. When you select one, PowerPoint automatically applies coordinated colors and fonts across all slides, which keeps everything consistent and professional. Choose something clean with good contrast for easier reading on small screens. Now add your content. Tap the slide to edit text and type in your title and main points. Keep titles short and clear. To add more slides, tap the plus slide button and select a layout that fits your content like title, title and content, or image. Choosing the right layout helps your information breathe and reduces clutter. If you want visuals, insert images or media, tap insert using the plus icon or the menu, then choose pictures to pull from your gallery, camera to take a new photo, or add icons, shapes, or a text box. If prompted, allow permissions so the app can access your photos or camera. Use high-quality images and avoid stretching them to keep things sharp. To add movement, apply transitions and animations. Tap a slide and open transitions to choose how slides move between each other. For animations within a slide, select a piece of text or an image, tap Animate, and pick an effect. Subtle options usually look the most professional, and it's a good idea to preview so timing feels natural. When you're ready to keep your work, tap the three dots or menu, choose Save As, and pick a location like your phone storage or OneDrive. Name your file clearly so you can find it later. Saving to OneDrive lets you access it on other devices. To present, tap the Play or Present icon and swipe left or right to move through slides. For mobile, keep slides simple, use large fonts, stick to one or two fonts and colors, and lean on images instead of long paragraphs. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.